Welcome, Shreyal.
Thank you so much.
Audience would like to know your journey from Shreyal Pandey to a fashion and a lifestyle content creator.
Shreyal Pandey, as a person, I'm a very simple, coming from a middle class family. पहले क्या होता था, कोई भी अगर आपको फैशन इंडस्ट्री में काम करना है, you should have contacts.
Contact,
Right?
yes.
Social media has come in picture as a plus point.
What do you suggest to the audience? Oh, any one precaution while doing all such things?
There is a very thin line between being bold
Yeah.
and being vulgar.
Yes.
Be confident, be bold, do it. Inside you, there is a thing. आपको पता होना चाहिए आप कितने गलत हो, कितने सही हो. किसी ने सोचा था कि content creation can give people platform to earn. Okay.
Have you ever faced any challenges from your family members for being a bold lifestyle content creator?
लोग क्या कहेंगे,
लोग क्या
ये
कहेंगे?
कैसे होगा,
Yes,
ऐसा
yes.
कैसे होगा, ये लोग ऐसे बोलेंगे, अब तो पता नहीं आपकी लड़की कैसे कर रही है, क्यों कर रही है. Of course. आज मैंने एक पिक्चर डाली है से इन बिकिनी. आज मैंने एक पिक्चर डाली है. I am not doing anything wrong in that. It's just me portraying myself.
Okay.
मैं एक बिकिनी पहन के रोड पे तो नहीं चलूंगी.
Exactly.
Right? There is always a right place and right time to wear what you're wearing.
आपके पास ऐसा कोई किस्सा, आपने कोई फोटोज पोस्ट किए हैं कि
I have got a good figure.
Yes.
If I've got a good body and I'm confident in
Confidence,
carrying it,
yes.
then why not? Right? I get a lot of swimwears, lingerie brands and everything.
Yes, yes.
Because they know that I can wear it
Wear
and I
it,
am
yes.
comfortable in that. जितने भी negative comments आते हैं, वो faceless comments हैं.
Yeah, that is sure.
They are faceless. अगर ये यहाँ एक बंदा दो बंदे खड़े हैं, उन्होंने में से किसी एक ने वो कमेंट करा होगा, मेरे सामने आके मुझे मेरे साथ ही सेल्फी खींच के जाएगा.
Beautiful fashion influencer Shreyal Pandey. Hello everyone, welcome to the talk show with your host Neelu. Fashion is all about dreaming and making other people dream. So here we have beautiful fashion influencer Shreyal Pandey. तो आज हम यहाँ पे बहुत सारी गपशप करेंगे. श्रेयल के साथ हम बातें करेंगे. आपके जो भी सवाल है जो हमारे पास है, आज हम वो सारे सवाल उनसे पूछेंगे and you will get to know more about Shreyal. So welcome Shreyal.
Thank you so much.
Yes, so we'll start with a question, right?
Of course.
Audience would like to know about your journey from Shreyal Pandey to a fashion and a lifestyle content creator, My Glam World.
So yeah, Shreyal Pandey, as a person, if you talk about, I'm a very simple, coming from a middle class family. My whole family is into government sector. I'm the only one who is into the private and all these segment, have
Okay.
my own thing.
Nice.
So during my university days, I thought of doing modeling because there was some inter-university contest that came up.
Yeah.
So I just gave it a try because it somehow clicking pictures, showcasing myself, presenting myself in the best way is what I used to love from my childhood. I thought that was a good platform for me by then. So I started doing some sort of modeling, taking part in contest, doing inter-university contest and all. And somehow, gradually, I built up interest in that. But along with that, let me tell you, I was pursuing my BTech. I did BTech and MBA along with all this. So yeah, so this was going side by side, and I did won a lot of prizes, a lot of contests in that particular duration. Okay. But later on, after completing my post-graduation, like MBA, I moved on to Mumbai. So wherein the corporate and professional life came in picture. And let me just tell you, I'm not just an influencer. मेरे साथ में एक 9 to 5 job है, which I have a corporate life. Shreyal are two people living two lives together. One a corporate professional and one a influencer that you're seeing right here.
Yes.
So at present, if I would tell you, I am a mixed personality here sitting right in front of you. So I would like to just give a just like जब मैं ऑफिस जाती हूँ like Monday to Friday ऑफिस आवर्स होते हैं 9 to 5. So I am a proper marketing professional.
Okay.
Working as a marketing manager in the MNC.
Wow.
So then 9 to 5, I get busy with all those work and everything. But once I'm back to home, I'm a different person because what kind of content I need to create, कैसा weekend होना चाहिए, कैसे क्या होता है. This charged me up. It's kind of a passion that goes hand in hand. क्योंकि I felt like जब corporate segment start हुआ, तो there was something missing up in my life.
Okay.
And hence that was the time during 2016-17 जब Instagram was, started booming.
Started, yes.
So people started creating content and somehow during my university days itself, I had somewhere around 15K followers. I was like,
Wow.
let's keep on posting the content. Let's see, like,
Yeah.
keep on doing whatever I like. So I used to do it on my weekends and all, and eventually doing it, working on it kept me charged also, and
Yes.
audience kept on building, followers kept on building. I kept on getting a lot of good comments. People started praising me up. तो जैसे जैसे फॉलोअर्स बढ़ते हैं
Yes.
आपको मन से भी लगता है यार कुछ तो अच्छा हो रहा है, let's keep on doing it. That keeps me charged. Even till date, if I talk about Monday to Friday, although that's my job,
Yeah.
but then it doesn't excites me much.
Yeah.
What excites me
It's
is
your passion.
yes. What next?
Yes.
The mind always is on the thing that क्या करना है, अब क्या बनाना चाहिए, क्या चल रहा है,
Yes.
कैसे, and then my main focus is on being original. I don't like to copy someone or mimic someone.
Nice.
I feel like being myself is what Shreyal Pandey is. Hence, like if you see some people change their username to some different
Yes,
names
some
and all.
different, yes.
I feel like Shreyal Pandey. If I am Shreyal Pandey, I myself should be a brand. There should not
Wow.
be any other brand in the
Yes,
market.
very nice.
I should be praised by my name, not like a random girl, maybe a Truly Shreyal or something, which I think I have my eventually a second account right now as
Okay.
Truly Shreyal.
Okay.
I thought to create my personal life in a different way, which you don't see it, but yes. So इस तरह करके I feel like this is how my life is going on, and then I started getting collaborations around 2019, started booming, and this is me now. Shreyal Pandey sitting right in front of you.
Yes. So in this, I would like to add, like, COVID
Yeah.
was a time which added little kind of a fuel for this Instagram, right?
Sorry?
This COVID time.
COVID
it
time,
just added,
yes,
yes,
actually
because
the
after
reels.
that, yes, people started like knowing more about Instagram because there was
Yes.
nothing to do, and it was just a data
COVID
and
was the
mobile.
time because that was the time when people were all on social media.
Social
There's
media,
no other life. You create
yes.
content at home, do it, and by the time the reels started booming, TikTok
yes.
went off and Instagram came in.
Yes.
And yeah, of course.
So if I'm not wrong, instead of like we saying bold and beautiful Shreyal Pandey, I can say multitasking and multi-talented.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, as a bold fashion model, what do you feel are the challenges one needs to face in the fashion industry?
So see, challenges as such, if you talk about 2-3 years later, like earlier, like in 2015, 17, by
Yes.
then people were like very discriminative about your figure. You should be lean, you should be
Yes.
very sharp
Yes.
features, your skin color, and a lot of things were in picture. But if today we talk about, things have changed.
Yes.
People have started accepting. If this is my body, I should accept it. And
Accept
people
it.
have also taken it as a positive thing.
Yes.
There are plus size models. There are people with dark tone. I would
Tone.
say they are beautiful in their tone.
Very nice.
You have to be very much confident about yourself, and the world will, ultimately accept the
Accept,
way you
yes.
are. तो इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि अभी के टाइम में तो it's like easy, but then social media has come in picture as a plus point. पहले क्या होता
Plus
था, कोई
point.
भी अगर आपको fashion industry में काम करना है, you should have contacts.
Contact.
Right?
Yes.
But abhi, agar if you're good in something, if you're good in acting, if you're good in dancing, whatsoever you're good in, अगर आप उस चीज़ को पोर्ट्रे कर रहे हो Instagram पे, social media, YouTube पे, a lot of platforms are there available for market, right? तो अगर आप उसमें अच्छे हो, and if you're being praised, ultimately you will get noticed.
Yes.
And जब आपका वो notice होगा, then आपको किसी context की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, contacts आपके पास आएंगे.
पास आएंगे, बराबर.
And that's how the things have changed gradually year by year. And today, like हम past में देखें, content creation was not a profession.
Yes.
Parents were like, ये क्या करना
ये
है,
क्या
ये
करना
थोड़ी
है.
कुछ होता है. But आज
Yes.
किसी ने सोचा था कि content creation can give people platform to
Platform
earn,
to earn. Exactly.
give them fame.
Yes.
Right? So this is how fashion industry have boomed, and people have started accepting people.
Okay, now I would like to ask you, Shreyal, as you said, people started posting more on Instagram.
Yeah.
So now you see now like every second you can see some new face on the Instagram. So my question to you is, as you being posting so many pictures, you have so many followers, yeah. So what kind of precaution what I can say, if these girls are posting it, okay, they all want to show themselves as models, as very bold, beautiful models, and they all are. But what do you feel? What do you suggest to the audience? Like, what do you say? Any one precaution what they need to do while doing all such things?
See, what I feel like, there is a very thin line between being bold and
Yeah.
being vulgar.
Yes.
So that particular thin line has to be
Yes.
always maintained. If you're being bold, be confident, be bold, do it. But inside you there is a thing, आपको पता होना चाहिए आप कितने गलत हो, कितने सही हो.
कितने सही
तो
हो.
अगर आपको पता है आप
Yes.
सही हो, मतलब आप सही हो. Then no, it doesn't matter whatsoever the society says, because
Yes.
people are there to say, people are there to comment. But आपको पता है आप सही कर रहे हो,
Yes.
बस आप सही कर
So
रहे हो.
this is what is
Yes.
true. A thin line, which is
Yes.
very important for everyone whoever is posting any content. So I think that thin line really matters a lot.
Actually, it
yeah.
does.
Very nice. Yeah. Seriously, my audience is going to get to know many more things. Okay, a real Shreyal today
Yeah.
we're going to come to know. Okay, now this is something interesting which everyone looking at your Instagram account, looking at your photos, they might be having this question in their mind, though it's in my also.
Okay.
Have you ever faced any challenges from your family members for being a bold lifestyle content creator?
A very generic question for every influencer or a model who ends up doing a bold content,
Yes.
because we live in an Indian society. See, that's eventually true.
Yeah.
See, and me belonging from a middle class family, from a very educated family and everything, there are other influencers also or other models also in the same category. So it's not just the parents, it's the society that
Society.
makes them do the things what they say.
Yes.
अगर मैं बोलूँ कि आज मैंने एक पिक्चर डाली है say in bikini, अब मैंने एक पिक्चर डाली है, I am not doing anything wrong in that.
Wrong.
It's just me portraying myself. If I am confident wearing a bikini, then again there is always a right place and right time to wear what you're wearing.
Okay.
मैं एक बिकनी पहन के रोड पे तो नहीं चलूंगी.
Exactly,
Right? If I am
exactly.
wearing a bikini on a beach, that means that's the right place where I
Yes.
should wear it, and I'm confident in wearing that. That's the thing. So when it came to my family initially they were like, लोग क्या कहेंगे,
लोग क्या
ये
कहेंगे?
कैसे होगा,
Yes,
ऐसा
yes.
कैसे होगा, ये लोग ऐसे बोलेंगे, अब तो पता नहीं कि आपकी लड़की कैसे कर रही है, क्यों कर रही है. Of course, because ये society है इस तरह से. लेकिन जब when I made them understand, see, if I am comfortable doing and wearing whatever I am wearing at the right place at the right time, and I know I am right. I am not doing anything which is बाउंड्री से बाहर है.
बराबर.
तो अगर मैं वो चीज़ कर रही हूँ और वो चीज़ पे मुझे पता है मैं कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ, तो मैं क्यों ना करूँ.
Exactly.
There is particular, I have my own ambition, I have my own plans,
Exactly.
I have my own goals.
Yes.
तो अगर मुझे लगता है कि ये चीज़ मैं कर सकती हूँ तो मैं क्यों ना करूँ. लाइफ एक ही है यार. मैं 10 ऐसा तो नहीं मैं 10 साल के बाद ठीक है शादी के बाद कर ले. अरे शादी कहाँ, अभी है, ये वक्त है, अभी मैं कर सकती हूँ, मैं कर रही हूँ. इसीलिए मैंने फिर उनको बहुत समझाया. I made them understand that society, relatives, nothing. It's just
Yes.
you who have to understand
Yes.
that if your daughter is doing whatever she's doing and she's right, you have to understand that she's right, and बाकी लोग अपने आप शांत हो जाएंगे. And then eventually I happened to make them understand, and now they are like pretty much confident and good to see me, and they're like they praise me. And yeah, today everything is fine with my family. It was like a small थोड़ा सा patch था, which went थोड़ा सा rough, but then it is all smooth now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, since you're talking about this patch, and family is the one who always is the first who will oppose you अगर आप कुछ कर रहे हो, because we are bound to the society, and we have to think about the society. So even they are thinking first about the society. मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ, like audience will also like to know, ऐसा कोई आपके पास ऐसा कोई किस्सा कि हुआ है कि यू आर डूइंग और आपने कोई फोटोज पोस्ट किए हैं एंड देन योर फैमिली मेंबर सेज नो, नॉट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट योर पेरेंट्स, ओके, फैमिली मेंबर्स मींस cousins are there, so many people are there, aunt is there, uncle is there, you know, they are the one who pressurizes more, okay, more than your parents. So ऐसा कोई किस्सा would you like to share?
एक्चुअली क्या है कि मैं आई डोंट रिमेम्बर, आई थिंक अंटिल 2018 और 19 इट वाज समवेयर देन, मैं उसके पहले ऐसे मैंने प्रॉपर बिकिनी इसकी पिक्चर्स नहीं पोस्ट करी थी.
Okay.
आई ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू हैव अ कवर अप और अ थिंग, बट देन आई फेल्ट लाइक यार नहीं कर सकते हैं क्या
हाँ.
है, मतलब यार इफ आई हैव गॉट अ गुड फिगर,
Yes.
if I have got a good body and I am confident in carrying
Confidence,
it, then why
yes.
not? Like if I'm getting good even collaborations, when you create content around, that type of content that you create, तो brands भी उस according आते हैं. I get lot of swimwears, lingerie brands and everything,
Yes, yes.
because they know that I can wear it
Wear
and I am
it, yes.
comfortable in that. And such collaborations, if they're coming and if I'm comfortable wearing it, then why not?
Why not?
So then I posted one of the picture. I still remember it was a neon bikini. I shot it in
Okay.
Daman
Okay.
in one of the resorts. And then when I posted, I got a call from my mom.
Okay.
And my mom is not on Instagram.
Okay.
वो follow भी नहीं करती, कुछ भी
नहीं.
नहीं. She's not there only. ठीक है.
Okay.
I don't know of today, but उस टाइम तो नहीं थी. तो उनको मेरे एक अंकल ने
Yeah.
कॉल करके बोला,
Oh my God.
आपकी बेटी ने ऐसा ऐसा पिक्चर डाला. आई
Okay.
वाज लाइक ब्रो फर्स्ट टेल मी हु दैट अंकल इज. एंड शी इज लाइक नहीं ऐसे नहीं डालते ये वो. सो दिस वाज लाइक ऐसे ना घी में आग मतलब चिंगारी दे देना, ये वाली बात हो जाती है कि यार मतलब रिलेटिव हो, आप अपने घर को देखो. मैं कुछ भी कर रही हूँ, आपके यहाँ उसमें कुछ गलत लगा नहीं, उनको ये है कि आपने आपकी बेटी अब ये कर रही है वो कर रही है. अरे कर रही है, क्या कर रही है, क्या गलत किया उसने? सही चीज सही जगह पे वो कर सकती है, उसने किया. दैट्स इट. आपका किसी का कुछ गया उसमें नहीं. It's just if I'm comfortable, I'm comfortable. That's all.
Yes.
So that was very annoying for me by
Annoying,
then. But then
exactly.
eventually I made my mom understand that let them be. Like, are you okay? Then further it ho gaya, down the line it was all settled up.
Okay. So apart from the family members, there are live cameras.
Everywhere.
Everywhere, yeah. Okay, so we'll move to the next question. Yes. With so many fans,
Yeah.
okay, you receive both appreciation and the criticism.
Of course.
Okay.
Of course.
How do you deal with the negative comments?
See, first of all, I would say जितने भी negative comments आते हैं, वो faceless comments हैं.
Yeah, that is sure.
दे आर फेसलेस. अगर ये यहाँ एक बंदा दो बंदे खड़े हैं, उन्होंने में से किसी एक ने वो कमेंट करा होगा, मेरे सामने आके मुझे मेरे साथ ही सेल्फी खींच के जाएगा. आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट.
Okay.
या तो ये जो फेसलेस कमेंट्स है ना, मैं किसी के पीछे कुछ भी बोल रही हूँ, लेकिन मैं उसके सामने जब तक नहीं बोल सकती ना, कोई मतलब नहीं उस चीज़ का. इसलिए मैं नेगेटिव कमेंट्स को एक होता है ना कि कोई भी आया कुछ भी बोल के चला गया.
Yes.
ऐसे तो लोग आएंगे जाएंगे बोल के, आपको राह चलते लोग कुछ भी बोल के जा सकते हैं, लेकिन जब तक वो आपके मुंह पे नहीं बोल रहा है तब तक नहीं. और अगर नेगेटिव वो बोल रहा है, दैट मीन्स उसको कुछ अच्छा लग रहा होगा, वो मेरी पोस्ट पे रुका, उसने इतना टाइम दिया. भाई सामने वाले ने मेरे को टाइम दिया, उसने मेरी एंगेजमेंट में. आई वुड रादर सजेस्ट ये मतलब ये तो मेरे लिए एक प्लस पॉइंट है, बिकॉज इफ द पीपल आर कमेंटिंग शेयरिंग
means they are watching you.
they are watching me. They are taking out time from their
Time,
life to watch
yes.
me. And इतने efforts डाले के बंदे ने comment भी किया.
And
eventually that is helping me out getting the engagement down the line, of course, because the number of comments and the shares and everything eventually counts. तो उन्होंने ना चाहते हुए मुझे सपोर्ट कर दिया. एंड उनके जो फेसलेस कमेंट्स हैं वो तो फिर फेसलेस ही रहेंगे ना यार. बाकी फैंस तो हैं उसको रिप्लाई करने के लिए, चार बातें करने के लिए, उसको देयर आर पीपल हु विल रिप्लाई ऑन माय बिहाफ. मुझे अपना अपने वो से अपनी बात अपने तरह से एक्सप्लेन करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज आई नो व्हाट इज राइट एंड व्हाट इज रॉन्ग.
Yes. So you are taking it everything the positive. हाँ.
तो मैं वही बोल रही हूँ कि जितने भी लोग होते हैं ऐसे कमेंट्स, इवन आई वुड से सभी लोगों को, कि अगर आपको कोई ऐसा कमेंट करता है, डोंट टेक इट सीरियसली ऑन यू. बिकॉज अगर यही लोग वो होते हैं, जब आपने आज स्टार्ट किया, आज आप पे कमेंट करेंगे, कल करेंगे. आज आप 10 के से स्टार्ट करो, कल 50 के, कल आप 100 के पे जाओगे, वही लोग आपको आके प्रेस करेंगे. इवन टुडे माय रिलेटिव्स, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट माई सेल्फ, व्हेन आई वाज इन Shreyal Pandey in 2017, Shreyal Pandey in 2024.
Yes.
Now they know what I am, what I made of myself, where am I today.
Yes.
Today they are not discouraging me या मेरे बारे में उल्टा बोल रहे. They are like, अरे अच्छा किया. This is like, you keep doing what you like.
Exactly.
क्योंकि society is there to bash you back. किसी को आपका success नहीं देखना है.
That is there.
Success is what you have to gain.
Yes.
Not people will give you.
In short, you focus on your goals. Yes. Yeah. people are going to talk. Yeah, true. So what you're suggesting your audience is that take it in a positive sense. If you're starting with something, people are going to talk about you. So I must say, you really got that positive attitude, and
Thank
we
you.
all should have this positive attitude.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's not about creating a content, but we have seen so many reel stars, so many people on not on Instagram or social media site. I think you take it in the positive. Yeah,
Correct.
that will help you up.
Yes.
Okay. My question is now, as you're a travel influencer, right? So tell me about your experience in a travel influencer, and if someone wants to start with it, if newly someone is really crazy about traveling and they want to start with that, okay, so what suggestions would you give it to them?
See, first of all, if I talk about myself, I started with fashion and lifestyle.
Okay.
But eventually, when the follower kept on growing in the engagement and the type of content that I created,
Yeah.
if the people started liking it and people started resonating with that, right? Then eventually, if I started getting collaboration for the travel part, right?
Nice, yes.
But then again, if you're collaborating with a resort, XYZ resort, अगर वो आपको बुला रहा है तो देयर इज अ मोटिव बिहाइंड इट.
Yes.
उनको उनका प्रमोशन चाहिए, आपको आपके लिए कंटेंट मिलेगा, राइट?
Yes.
तो इवेंचुअली स्टार्टिंग यू विल गेट अ बार्टर कोलैबोरेशन डील्स ओनली वेयरइन दे विल कॉल यू अप, दे विल गिव यू अ फ्री स्टे, फूड एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू क्रिएट द कंटेंट अराउंड एंड शोकेस टू योर फॉलोअर्स ऑन इंस्टाग्राम.
Yes.
बट जब आप किसी रिसोर्ट में या प्रॉपर्टी में जाते हो, वन थिंग कीप इन माइंड, अगर वो प्रॉपर्टी अपने प्रॉपर्टी के प्रमोशन के लिए आपको बुला रही है,
Yes.
then you have to focus on the property. Just, you know, it's
Yes.
not you who has to get focused, it's the property that has to be focused.
Yes.
अगर आप travel content बना रहे हो तो तुम इस property के लिए जिसके लिए भी काम करो, just cater more of the property and less of yourself.
Yes.
Because that's what the brand wants to showcase.
Brand,
And if
yes.
you succeed in doing that and showcase your followers की यार क्यों जाना चाहिए यहाँ पे, ऐसा क्या है, कैसे दिख रहा है, क्या है, तभी जाकर the brand will be happy with the content, and eventually down the line जो भी आपको brands या properties या whosoever wants to collaborate, they'll see that कि okay यार person में ये है कि ये हमारी property को दिखाएगा.
Yes.
Then only the collaborations will come. So always the type of collaborations you get, if it is a fashion collaboration, focus on more on the outfit rather than your the other things, other aspects. If it's property, focus more on the property, less of yourself. Food, focus more on food. It's the brand
product what we are talking about,
what
product.
you're in what kind of collaboration you're doing, just focus on that first, and then the other things goes hand in hand.
That's
the main
and
thing.
that is the way where you'll be getting more collaborations
Of
with
course,
that,
of
because
course, of
the focus
course.
should be a product.
Yes.
Yes. So these are so many valuable things you are giving to my audience. Now we'll have a nice next session as a rapid fire.
Okay.
You all know that I'll be asking you the questions and you have to
Okay.
answer me immediately, okay, without thinking. Just a second, and I think
I'll think if
you
I'll
will. You will.
think.
You'll do it. Okay, so now we'll not wait much, and as it is a rapid fire, so my questions will be keep bombarding on you. Okay, so first, a favorite web series on Netflix?
Money Heist.
Money Heist. Yeah, many of them.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
seriously,
one of
Money
the best.
Heist. Yes. If not as a bold lifestyle content creator, okay, what you would be like to call as?
A successful business lady that I always wanted to be.
Yes. Soon you can start with something. Yes, right?
I
You
have
can plan.
certain plans down the line.
Wow.
Once, if I feel like I'm very much bored with my job, then
Okay.
eventually something is
Yes,
going to come
yes.
hand in hand.
So you will be soon called as a successful
Yeah.
business lady.
Fingers
Yes.
crossed.
Yeah. Okay, now my question is, you have so many fan followers, you're influencing so many people. Okay, is there anyone particular from where you are getting influence?
See, this is a very tricky question, but I would say I get influenced by myself.
Wow.
Because today what I am doing, I actually judge myself. I'm a very judgy kind of a person. I judge myself and I always find a scope of improvement in myself. So I get influenced by myself. That's what I would want to
Seriously,
say.
very nice. Yeah, very nice. Seriously, because we have to always that introspect and that you start improving yourself. So I think we should focus on ourselves first.
Yes, of course.
Yes. Good. Okay, the biggest celebrity crush.
Ranveer Singh, without a doubt.
Ranveer Singh will soon see this
Yeah,
and he'll
of
be
course,
happy.
of course. I'm waiting for his selfie.
Yes. Do you believe in a cheat day as a part of a diet plan? And if yes, why?
Honestly, my everyday is a cheat day because I've never been to gym in my life. Oh my god, that's something which is not
Still,
my
you are
cup of
maintaining
tea.
yourself very nice.
you
I
so
must
much.
appreciate this. Okay. All-time favorite traveling place?
I really love Dubai. And I eventually
Yes.
happened to end up in Dubai. I have certain memories also to resonate with Dubai. So yeah.
So you might have many things about the photos in the places and all on your Insta
of
about
course.
Dubai,
Of course,
right?
it is there. There are
Yes.
pure highlights.
So the next collab she's going to get from Dubai, okay? Now, define yourself in one word.
Ambitious.
Yes, true.
That's
you
me,
are.
that's
you
me,
are.
that's me.
Yes, nice. Now, this is a little tricky, but I would like to know. Okay, me as an audience, everyone would like to know. Weirdest rumor you have ever heard about yourself?
मेरी शादी हो चुकी है.
Okay.
नहीं हुई है.
नहीं हुई है.
Every now and then I get a ma'am, your husband must be very lucky. You look so pretty. मैंने कहा husband कहाँ से
शादी
है?
हुई
बोलो,
नहीं
मेरी
है.
शादी नहीं हुई है.
Good. So you're enjoying that rumor.
Yeah. I don't enjoy it, but it's kind
It's
of
like
weird. यार,
weird,
कभी
yeah.
हो जाएगी तब बोलने का ना यार.
My last but not the least question. Yeah. If you could have any superpower, what it would be?
वर्ल्ड टूर करूंगी मैं सबसे पहले.
You, as it is going places here and there, but still
Traveling the world.
traveling the world.
Yes.
Yes. So you're a travel
Yeah,
influencer.
I prefer traveling. Fashion and lifestyle comes hand in hand. Style yourself in the best way possible. Enjoy the luxury traveling around the world. All the
Superb.
three things covered in one go.
Superb, superb. So this is what you would like to give a message to today's
Of course,
young generation.
yes.
Yes. So ये सारी बातें थी श्रीयल के साथ. So there were so many things where a real Shriyal was in front of us, okay, and many more things आपको श्रीयल के बारे में पता चले हैं. Now श्रीयल में last thing मुझे आपको ये पूछना है कि how you're feeling coming to us to our talk show. So
I am really feeling good. It's a very first time for me doing a podcast.
Yes.
And you being a lovely host, Neelu.
Thank
you so
you.
much.
Thank
and
you.
the questions were amazing. And it was really a nice and friendly interaction, which was very, very generic and very good. A good feeling overall.
yeah, so even for us it was nice knowing you.
Thank you so much.
Okay. So thank you, Shriyal. Thank you.
Thank you.